Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how I like to make my Vietnamese dipping sauce. This is a sauce that you typically find when you go to like an Asian restaurant and you have spring rolls and that little dipping sauce they give you. That's what I'm making. I absolutely love it. And I not only make it for my spring rolls, I make it for salads too, especially my arugula salads. I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys give it a try. It's delicious. It's easy. I know it's probably not authentic, so don't come at me, but it's just as delicious.
Here's the thing that I got on my mind. How the world's making people go blind. Solitary, ordinary, don't sit well with my gut. It's so strange, I'm not holding my tongue.